Hey guys, Rich Sparks, Associate Broker, Keller Williams Realty, and welcome to 12215 El Camino. And that price is right, $200,000. This house is 1,762 square feet. Great neighborhood, 4-bedroom, bath and a half. Don't miss out, but yes, you will be earning some sweat equity. Now, this house is solid. Newer roof. The basement's been waterproofed. All the rod hole leaks have been patched. All transferable warranties. Newer HVAC system. Underneath the carpeting there in the living room, there is hardwood flooring, but needs some work. The house is livable though, so you can move in and do everything at your own pace and gain instant equity. This house fixed up is worth a whole heck of a lot more. So, if you're the kind of person that the only time you've ever picked up a hammer was at Comic-Con, pretending to be Thor, not the house for you. Upstairs, hardwood flooring throughout, except for the bath. And I'll point out some things to you that needs to be done. Obviously up here you're needing to paint, refinish the hardwood floorings. The carpeting was ripped up, and look how beautiful those floors are. They've never been exposed, so they do need to be sanded. This has a walk-in closet in this bedroom. This has a pass-through to the master bedroom. Now, in here in the master bedroom, I'm going to point out some wall damage that happened due to an ice dam. And you're going to see that right now. So this ice dam was prior to the new roof being put on. That's damage that needs to be fixed. The vast majority of the repairs in this house, cosmetic. You have in the half bath down below, it's the toilet's leaking. It needs to be reset. Minor fix. So as you come into this property, know that you can build equity and really make it lovely. Now look at the backyard. The backyard is perfect for entertainment. So, hey, if you're interested in earning some sweat equity, if you're interested in being able to afford a place in this area, $200,000 for this house is unheard of. It's just unheard of. We're going back a long time on pricing. Will there be multiple offers? Very possible. So did you put your best foot forward? Absolutely. Is there work to be done? Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Lots of work to be done. But nothing structural. And here again, it's already got a new roof. Newer HVAC system. Great neighborhood, great house, great opportunity, and fantastic price. Don't miss out. Give us a call. Check this place out as soon as possible. It's not going to be around long. Bye now. So, how was selling your house? Did you like the marketing I did for you?
Oh yeah, selling the house was great. Bringing out the drone and getting all the awesome pictures.
Nice, nice. Would you feel comfortable recommending us?
Absolutely. I already have.
Awesome, awesome.